Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a very special Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is the Louis Vuitton twist in the size MM, and it is in this incredible python skin. It is so beautiful. This patterning is really, really beautiful. I'm going to talk you through all the features of this gorgeous bag. So we've got an adjustable strap, which you can wear as a double shoulder strap, or you can just pull it through and then you've got a nice long crossbody strap as well. And that's quite nice as well, because then you've got that comfortable leather section for your shoulder. And then we have a flap closure that's got that LV twist lock on the front, hence why it's called the LV twist. So I'll open it up, and we've got leather throughout, so all the interior is leather, and we've just got a little Louis Vuitton card in there, which I'll show you in a minute when I show you everything else that it comes with. But you can see we've got one flat pocket there, and we've got extra little python skin features on the inside as well. And then we've got one flat pocket here as well. And embossed into this leather on this flat pocket is the date code. So that is where the date code is for this Louis Vuitton twist. The condition of it, again, is beautiful, especially the exterior. Just get that closed and twist that like that, and then it locks into place. And the exterior is really, really nice. We've called it very good condition, and you can see that it's got a really nice gloss to it. That python skin catches the light really nicely. And there's actually hardly anywhere at all for me to show you. I'm going to show you all of these lines and all of these corners because they are really gorgeous. You can see they're all completely intact. You can't see any scuffing or marks to those corners at all. The shape is really nice. There's just a couple of areas, so like on the side, this feels really nice and smooth. But there's a couple of areas where that python skin is just lifting like very, very slightly, hardly at all. You wouldn't really be able to notice it. And most of it is really nice. So that's why we've called the exterior very good. The hardware we've called good. Lovely silver hardware. You can see it's all really nice and shiny. The strap is perfect, but the reason that we called it good is you can see on this twist lock just a bit of scratching down the centre of there. And so that's why we've called the hardware condition good. And then the interior, I'm going to open that up and show you inside there again. So you can see we've got a little bit of marking on the leather inside that flap closure. Most of it is in a very nice condition. The very interior, so this compartment here, there isn't really any marking for me to show you, but the reason we've called it good condition is just these faint marks on the flap closure. So that is the condition of this LV twist. I'm going to show you what it comes with. So we have the Louis Vuitton envelope, and inside there we've got the Louis Vuitton care guide for that gorgeous python skin. And then we have the Louis Vuitton dust bag, as well as the Louis Vuitton box. And inside the bag, this is my favourite part. So I'm just going to twist that lock and show you inside there again. We've got a little Louis Vuitton pocket mirror tucked into that flat pocket inside. So you've got a super cute little mirror, again with that python skin little tag on the top as well. So that is everything that it comes with. If you love it, don't forget to have a look at it on our website. The quickest way to get to it on our website is to click the link in the description below. If you click that link and it takes you straight to this, that is perfect, it means it's still available. But if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you have fallen in love with this, but it's gone by the time you get to our website, let us know, we'll get you on the request list for one of them. Then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. Before you get on that request list though, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can have that strap as a double shoulder strap like that. And it's actually really nice size and nice and lightweight as well. It actually feels very comfortable to wear on your shoulder. And then you can also have that longer crossbody strap and wear it like that too. And I just love this python skin. It's so gorgeous, and it's a lovely neutral colour as well, so it will go with a lot. But it's a really, really beautiful bag. Don't forget to go have a look at it on armcandybyco.com. Get there before it goes and sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code used on your first purchase with us. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We would love to see what you've got for us. So have a read through that page and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.